So the question was asked, if I have it in neutral and start the car, does it still make the awful noise? And this is the answer. So neutral, clutch down. No noise at all. In gear, no noise. Still clutch down. As soon as I bring the clutch up,